Nature Gamer here. I'm on the Crafty Gamer channel because he is playing COD. Yeah. Or the game ended. That happened.
I was last killed, Sammy. Epic kill.
Yeah.
And let's hope the graphics are better.
Yeah. Like, what is happening? Hey, Crafty Gamer. So, do you want to tell them about your new intro?
Amazing. You can see my singing.
Yeah.
Why is this thing like still moving loud? This controller's broken. It's like still making that.
I'm not doing it. I'm gonna play Team Deathmatch.
Yeah.
I think we did something wrong with the graphics because it was
Horrible.
real bad.
Okay, TNT Bros. Didn't you get a new thing as well?
I did.
Yeah, we all did. Which is good because we really needed it.
Yes.
And that's just going to be a lot more editing for me, so yeah.
I need to change some.
Because I practically run all the channels.
Yeah.
Okay, this is just their normal life. This happens all the time. So
Don't be alarmed.
yeah, don't be alarmed, y'all. Okay, just Preston, stop. Okay, TNT bro,
Yeah.
please stop. Just get off that.
Yeah, hurry.
Hurry!
I'm gonna give you 15 seconds.
No.
1,
30.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
Alright, fine, we'll leave it
17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay. Let's do this.
I hope the graphics get better.
Yeah, the graphics will be in
because if the graphics aren't good,
Hello.
then I'm gone.
Wait.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, never mind.
Well, I think it's on.
Oh, look, the graphics are getting better. Oh, never mind.
Is it? What the heck?
The graphics are worse. Oh, no, wait. It's just black and white for the... Oh. Well, that's a lot brighter.
Well,
Yeah,
same.
it got better. Oh, look, it got a little better actually.
A little
we
bit.
still can't see our weapons.
Yeah, true. Die, potato. No, it's not working. What's wrong with? Die, potato. Nah.
Okay, so Crafty Gamer, would you like to explain why you're making this series?
Kind of just for fun. I really wanted to be a YouTuber for a while, and so, but I always asked my mom and dad can I please be a YouTuber and stuff. So yeah, it was really fun. Now I'm so happy that you guys are subscribing to my channel and hit those thumbs up so we can make more minutes and yeah.
It's
That's all for
true.
me.
What about you, TNT bro?
Yeah. I don't know
He doesn't know
how
what to
long
say.
it's been since I made a YouTube video.
Actually,
I said I was going to upload another video.
yeah, so I have stopped my channel for a little bit because of technical difficulties, and I'm running the other boys' channels.
Yeah.
So,
Oh my god.
what?
Look at the ugly tree.
That is ugly. That is very
That's an
ugly.
ugly tree.
Look at all the other ugly trees.
Die!
Die, potato!
Why do you keep saying die potato? It's
I
just
don't
weird.
know.
Because he is a potato.
Isn't that right, Crafty Gamer?
Yep.
We have
And guys, I have some fun stuff for you. So if you go onto Chrome or something and you say do a barrel roll, it will actually do a barrel roll.
Yeah.
So
And pretty soon we are going to be making a YouTube video for all of us.
uh,
It is called National Pumpkin Rolling
yeah.
or Racing. It's either rolling or racing, and then we'll smash the pumpkins. We're going to be joined by other people as well.
So
Hope you enjoyed that video.
We're going to be joined by the TNT Bros, myself, Crafty Gamer, and a few other people that I can't mention their names on because they don't have a YouTube channel. So
yeah, sadly not.
otherwise, we'd all be working together.
I'm all green stuff.
Woo! Yeah.
Ooh. That's what it is.
Haha.
Okay, I'm going to use my die. Nah, ha, ha, ha.
Oh, I haven't used my scar in a while. Ooh. Let's see.
Dang it!
Oh.
Double jump.
Oh my gosh, look, it's starting to show up now.
It is?
Yeah, look. But they
Wow, my screen.
It's only on the screen though.
Only probably on the snipers.
Well, guys, that's probably end this video here because we'll have a part 2.
Yeah.
So in the game now.
And the graphics.
In the game.
What?
In the game.
Why?
Because we're ending the video.
Why?
No, you're not going to end this game.
We have to. I just did.
No.